Hello, adventurers! We are going on a true adventure, which means it's unplanned. We are heading to McNellie's, which is downtown Tulsa, and it is a restaurant. They own a bunch of different, the McNellie's group owns a bunch of different other restaurants here in Tulsa. But this is a place we have been before, but we are starting our journey on filming videos at restaurants, and this is going to be one of the very first ones. So, I'm Danny, that's Sawyer. He's driving. I'm trying to keep him focused on the road, so he's not speaking right now, but here we go. We're going to McNellie's. Kind of a cloudy day today, so we thought this would be a nice place to go get some lunch. Alright, we are almost there. We are on 1st Street in Tulsa, Oklahoma. There she is. That's where we're going. Sawyer did a beautiful parallel parking job here. But anyway, they have outdoor seating, but it's been drizzling on and off today, so there is that option. But we are going to head in to James E. McNellie's. All right, let's take a look at this menu. James E. McNellie's. They got a bunch of appetizers, salads and soups, plant-based lunch specials, hamburgers and sandwiches, entrees that are all kind of good mix there. Ooh, desserts. He's looking over the menu. What are you thinking so far?
Maybe the brat platter.
Maybe the brat platter. Okay, let's take a look at what that is. Brat platters right here. 2 bratwurst with sauerkraut, our marbled rice served with mashed potatoes, mushroom gravy, side of spicy brown mustard. Delicious. And then I'm gonna get this. I've had this before, but I want it again today. Cottage pie. Well, guys, he is changing his mind, he thinks, to a maybe.
Fish and chips sounds pretty good.
Fish and chips is always a good choice. Let's see. There she is. We'll see what he picks. Sawyer can't resist a good artichoke dip.
Oh, yeah.
Let's take a look. And we've had this one before, and he knew it was good. He was talking about it on the way here.
Pita's hot.
Pita's hot.
Oh, yeah. That's good.
Oh yeah, that's good. I took my first bite of this, and it is so good. If you come here, get the artichoke dip. Okay, so they have this thing called Centennial Club, and you might have noticed in previous clips that there's mugs all over the wall, and that happens when you drink 300 beers. You get a mug, and that's pretty good. So, that's pretty neat, but anyway, this is the beer menu, y'all. Holy smokes. Okay, look. Here we go. Let's just go down the list. Actually, I'll do 2 a day. Well, he went with fish and chips.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, yeah. And then this is my cottage pie with broccoli. They have seasonal vegetable. So it's mashed potatoes and cheese on top, and then there's vegetables and stuff underneath. These, beef. I forget what else, but I've had this before, and it was so good. I can't wait to eat it again. He's digging in.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we just finished lunch, and it was delicious. Any closing remarks, Sawyer?
very good. Definitely get the artichoke dip. Recommend it every time.
What about your fish and chips?
Also very good. I would recommend it too.
Cottage pie, I would recommend that too.
And the brats, I didn't get them today, but their brats are really good.
Okay, well.
And the mashed potatoes.
Okay.
I don't think I've had anything that's not good.
Well, we are gonna head over and see some artwork on the side of a building, and we will show you when we get over there, but we are walking over there right now, so here we go. We have made it to the mural that Sawyer wanted to come see, and here she is on the side of this building right here. There's other alleyway art down that way, but I don't think we're going down there today.
There we are.
Oh, yes we are. Here she is. All right. There's some art on that building too. And then art all over the trash compactor. We got some graffiti over here. Very colorful. I like these brick roads. The look of them. I always think these are funny. Yeah. Sawyer loves murals and graffiti and just seeing what he can find. So we break for murals a lot. All right. Oh, there's some on that building over there too. Oh, there's quite a bit. We see Boost a lot in Tulsa. I don't know much about it, but we do see it a lot. Oh, there's a cool one, 918. Because that is the area code here, 918. Cool.
We forgot to film an outro, so we'll see you on our next adventure.